me, my name is Muhammad Nur Ramadan, and today I will be your host as a shipping analyst and maritime journalist for this podcast. Today, we will go over several topics related to the liner shipping and dry shipping, including their operational difference, business practice, and real example from the shipping industry. As today is Peter, who works as a shipping operation manager at a shipping company and has experience managing shipping operation and cargo transportation. Peter, thank you very much for coming over today and agreeing to be interviewed as a guest on my podcast.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Ramadan, for inviting me. I'm so happy today to be here and to share some insight about the shipping industry.
Great! So let's go over several questions that I have prepared. Hopefully, this discussion will help our viewer understand a little bit about liner shipping and transshipping in maritime industry. To start our discussion, could you briefly explain what liner shipping is and how it's operated?
Mr. Ramadan, the line shipping is a type of shipping service that operates on fixed routes and fixed schedule. The shipping travel between specific port according to a timetable, similar to a bus service. This system is mainly used for transporting container cargo, such as electronic collect machine and other manufactured goods. One example for a liner shipping company is Maersk, which operate container resale on regular international routes.
That's very clear explanation. So, reliability and schedule are very important in liner shipping. Now, let's talk about transshipping. Could you explain what transshipping is?
Okay, for the transshipping operate differently because it does not follow fixed route and schedule. In this system, we set travel wherever cargo is available. It's worth more like a taxi service where ship more depending on the character agreement between the ship owner and the cargo owner. This system usually transport bulk cargo, such as coal, cane, or iron ore.
That's interesting. So, transshipping is more flexible compared to the liner service. Let's look at the operational side. How does the route system differ between liner shipping and transshipping?
In the line shipping, we follow regular and predetermined routes between major ports. However, transshipping does not have fixed routes. Ship travel depending on where the cargo is loaded and where the creditor contract requires them to go.
How about the schedule? Is there a major difference between the two systems?
Yes, there is size gap difference. Liner shipping operate on fixed schedule, which means ship depart and arrive at specific time. And this helps businesses play this logistic and supply chain more especially. In contrast, Shipping does not operate on fixed schedule because voyage depend on charter agreement.
I see. That makes liner shipping more predictable for shipper. What type of the cargo are usually transported by liner shipping and tram shipping?
Alright, Mr. Madan, for the line shipping, mainly carrier container cargo ships as electronic, consumer goods, and manufactured products. Tram shipping usually carrier cargo, including coal, iron ore, grain, and crude oil.
From a commercial perspective, how are price determined in these two systems?
Parameter, Mr. Madan, in line shipping, the price is called the freight rate. It is usually calculated based on container size such as TEU. Yeah. Okay. In the tram shipping, the price is known as the charter rate, which depends on the charter agreement between the ship owner and the charter.
From a shipping management perspective, which system involve high commercial risk?
Yeah, generally, tram shipping involves higher commercial risk because the ship owner depend on market demand. If cargo demand is low, the vessel may remain idle and not generate revenue. The line shipping is usually more stable because the company operate regular service and have long-term customer.
Okay, could you give another real example of a tram shipping operator?
Yes, one well-known tram operator is Aldertron carrier. Okay, this company operates carrier that transport commodities such as coal, iron ore, and bauxite under charter agreement.
That's a great example from a real shipping industry. Okay, let's imagine a practical situation. If a company wants to export a large amount of coal from Indonesia to China, which system could be more suitable?
In this situation, tram shipping will be more sustainable. This is because coal is a bulk cargo that is usually transported in very large quantities. The exporter can cater a bulk carrier using a wheel gauge character which allow the cargo to be transported directly from the loading port to the direction port.
Okay, before we end our discussion, could you summarize the key difference between liner shipping and tram shipping?
In line shipping is generally more suitable because it operates on fixed routes and regular schedule. The tram shipping is more flexible because the vessel can travel anywhere depending on cargo demand. However, tram shipping also involves higher commercial risk because income depends on market conditions.
Thank you, Peter, for sharing your valuable insight with us today. This discussion helped us better understand the operational and commercial difference between liner shipping and tram shipping. And thank you to everyone for watching our podcast.